Welcome to the WYD Studio channel. This time, I will discuss a video about 10 futuristic office room with dynamic RGB lighting. Please watch the following video. The Nexus workstation blends digital minimalism with mood-based RGB lighting, designed for next-gen productivity. Prism Desk turns your work zone into a futuristic command center where light, color, and control converge. LumaBay is a calming creative space where RGB lights and natural textures help unlock innovation and focus. Pulse Station is a workspace that syncs with your energy. Music, light, and design in one rhythmic flow. Aurora Boardroom redefines meetings with dynamic RGB lighting, holograms, and architectural boldness. A futuristic workspace where everything floats, from thoughts to tools, under a blanket of RGB illumination. MirrorCore turns light and space into a digital infinity, enhancing your focus through immersive design. GridHub is a structured and intelligent workspace, each RGB square designed to boost clarity and concentration. Holo Studio lets you work in augmented layers, blending physical minimalism with holographic interaction. ZenPixel brings harmony and intelligence to your workspace, with RGB mood lighting and a touch of nature. Thank you for watching this video. Please help subscribe, like, comment, so that this channel continues to grow.